Hello, this video is going to show you how to do the Transpiration Virtual Lab. Hopefully you already did the research to figure out that transpiration is how much water a plant can lose based on the environmental conditions. Some of the environmental conditions that we're going to test is normal, so no environmental factors like indoors, heat like a hot day, a fan be like a windy day, or a lamp like a sunny day. So hopefully you got all of this filled out already and you're ready to click on the Transpiration Virtual Lab. Go ahead and click on that. You're probably going to need this to be full screen. You'll notice that down here it says it is blocked. The way to get this to work is come up near the top, near like the home button in the search bar. Click on this. Go down to where it says flash. You have a couple options here. Right now it's blocked. When you click on this, you want to click allow. Once you click allow, it'll probably ask you to reload it, or it might pop up, and then voila, you should have your virtual lab ready to go. All right, so you're going to do this virtual lab while filling out data on this sheet. There are some procedures to follow, and they're given on your slide presentation over here. All right, so the slide presentation, it says choose a plant. Step 1, choose a plant and drag it to the test tube. All right, that looks like this. Okay. Step 2, click on the clock and record the reading in the table provided. So the clock is right here. And you're going to click on the clock. And the reading that shows up will be 3.6. And the table provided is on this table here. But you'll notice that this type of plant is an arrowhead. That's not one of our 3 types of plants that we're looking at. We have a rubber plant or zebra plant. So I have to click on a couple more of these, drag them over to see what they are. Hey, that's a zebra plant. So now I can click on this clock and get a reading for the plant that I want. This reading is 4.2. So I go over here, my zebra plant. The normal is 4.2. Okay, that's normal because there's no environmental factors. The first environmental factor we're going to do is the heater. So it says step 3, drag the heater close to the test tube. So I'm going to click this and drag it down here. Then it says click on the clock and record the reading in the table provided. Repeat this step for the lamp and the fan. So I got the heater here. Test it out. It says 6.1 milliliters. So I come back to my document for the heater and type in 6.1. Next is the fan. So I'm going to drag the fan down, click on the clock. It says 7.6. Let's go over here and type in 7.6. And finally, the lamp. So we drag the lamp down, click on the clock, and this is 3.2. So type in 3.2. All right, now I need the rubber plant and the fig plant as well. So click over here, arrowhead, that's not it. Weeping fig, zebra plants, even English ivy. So none of those were in. I already got the zebra plant, weeping fig, and rubber plant. So if I don't have it, I come up here and click reset. Then I try all of these out. Not it, not it, not it. Rubber plants, that was one of ours. All right, so I'll let you do that one on your own. We talk about one of the questions here. It says analysis. Calculate the average transpiration by condition. Normal, with heat, with fan, with lamp, and fill it to table 2. All right, so this is table 2, zebra plant. So I got to find the average of normal, heat, fan, and lamp. So to do that, I'm going to add all 3 of these together and then divide by 4. So I'm going to copy these and paste them into a search bar. So it's 4.2 plus 6.1 plus 7.6 plus 3.2. That'll bring up a calculator, 21.1. And I divide these by how many there are, which is 4. And that equals 5.275. So I'm going to type that in here. The second question here is calculate the average transpiration by species and fill in the table 2. All right. So that will be once you get these filled in, all 3, you'll be able to type in the average down here. All right, hope this helps. Once you get that done, answer the rest of the questions and do the wrap up and turn this in.